Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with our another topic in transformation of sentences, that is change the degree. Okay. Now, what is change the degree? You all have studied positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. So that we are you going to use the concepts over here. Okay, you must have seen big, bigger, biggest. Okay, so big is the positive case, bigger is the comparative case, and biggest is the superlative case. Small, smaller, smallest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, but by using the words also the sentences get changed, but the meaning should not change. Okay, now in positive it is a simple sentence. Okay, in comparative sentences, when you are using bigger, higher, louder, that means you are comparing one person or one object with that of the rest of the population. One person you're comparing with the rest of the population, so you are saying bigger than, smaller than, louder than. So than word is used to compare with one person to the other part of the population. So then is compulsory added in the comparative sentences. Now in superlative degree, you are saying that this person or this particular object is the most superior, okay, or the most important of the entire population. Not comparing, but it is the smartest, loudest, tallest, biggest. Okay, so only this person qualifies a particular adjective. Have you understood? Now in change the degree, a sentence will be given in the question. You have to change the sentence in comparative or superlative, whichever is the possible way. Okay, now let's look at the sentences. Here the 8 sentences are given. Let us see the second one. He must have had to face more uncertain and difficult times. Now more uncertain, it cannot be most uncertain. Okay, so you have to, more means, more uncertain means it is a comparative degree. Okay, so you have to change into positive degree. Why? Because most uncertain, which is superlative, it cannot be changed, so it will be changed into positive. Only uncertain, how you are going to write? He must have had to face more uncertain, so you will be right. Others must not have had to face as much uncertain and difficult times as him. So when you are saying others means definitely the person is not he, so meaning gets changed. So you have to write others must not have to face as much uncertain and difficult times as him. So when you are changing the meaning, you are adding a negative word. Understood? See the third one. He must have had exposure to more affluent situations and people. So how are you going to write? More is there, you cannot write most affluent, so it will be much. Okay, now over here, he must have had exposure to more affluent situations and people. Now others must not have had exposure to too much affluent situations and people as him. Okay, as is coming, as much affluent situations and people as him. So that is a peculiarity of the positive sentences. Okay, now see the seventh one. They could not have found a warmer host in India than the Gemini Studios. Okay, they could not have found a warmer host. So you're going to write no other host in India was so warm. Warmer comparative degree has changed into positive case. No other host in India was so warm as the Gemini Studios. Or you can write, if you want to change into superlative case, the Gemini Studios has been found as the most warmest or the warmest host in India. Okay, like that you can write. So what is the answer? No other host in India was so warm as the Gemini Studios. Eighth one, they presented two plays in the most professional manner. Most professional manner means these were the two plays who were the most professional. Now you have to change into comparative. How you are going to change? They presented two plays in a more professional manner than any other. Okay, like that. See the first one. He couldn't have had a more encouraging opening in films than our grown up makeup boy had. So, more encouraging than comparative cases there. We will change into positive case. Our grown up makeup boy could have had as much encouraging opening in films as him. Have you understood? Like that. Here are the answers given of all the 8 questions. You have to write all the 8 questions and the answer. Now let's see the another questions. See the first one. Sophie's father was scooping shepherd's pie into his mouth as hard as he could go. Okay, what is the question? Sophie's father was scooping shepherd's pie into his mouth as hard as he could go. How we are going to write? Sophie's father was scooping shepherd's pie into his mouth as hard as is there. Positive case is there. So you will write not harder than he could go. As hard as, you have to change the case. If you are writing harder than he could go, meaning will change. So you will write not harder than he could go. Second one, he knew instinctively that she would feel as at home there as in the city which had always been her home. She knew, now the answer, she knew instinctively that she would feel more at home there in the city which had always been her home. Okay, she knew instinctively that she would feel more at home there in the city which had always been her home. Now see the next one. He is the best. That means it is a superlative case. Now you have to change into good, better, best. Okay, so you have to change into superlative case. If we see, he is the best. No need to write then the rest of them. How you are going to write he is the best? So best you will change into he is better than the rest of them. How you are going to write he is better than the rest of them. See the fourth one. He is with the best team in the country. So you have to write he is with a better team than any other in the country. He is with a better team than any other in the country. Now I have used better, so then word is there. Earlier also in the sentence best was there. Better than. Okay. See the fifth one. No taller than you. So the answer will be taller than you. No taller than you. That means nobody is taller than you. So you can write you are the tallest or as tall as you. The answer is as tall as you, or you can write you are the tallest. That means the person can be taller, equal to his height also, or shorter to his height also. So you can write as tall as you. You cannot write you are the tallest, because, have you understood? Or you can write, yes, you can write you are the tallest. Now the next question. No bolder than you. As bold as you. Okay. As bold as you. So all these 6 questions and 6 answers you have to write for the change the degree. That means earlier 8 and plus this 6. So 14 questions for change the degree and 14 answers. Don't worry, we will do further chapter wise also the grammar part in each of the topics. Okay, this is for your simple just understanding. Okay, complete these questions for and answers for change the degree in your grammar notebook. Now we are going to start with another part 8, that is use unless. Okay, so whenever you are going to use unless, what are the things that you have to remember? You have to use if. If you are removing unless, you have to use if. Okay, if you are using if, then you have to remove unless, because it has the opposite meanings. Okay, now see the first one. These are the rules which you can write down in your notebook. Do not forget during the examination point of time. First one, if ever I come into money, I will buy a boutique. So use unless. How we are going now? There is no particular rule that you have to always begin a sentence with unless. You can use the sentence in between also, but it depends on the nature and the meaning of the sentence. Unless I, yeah, I'm removing if. Okay, so unless I come into money, I will never buy a boutique. Now I have added unless, so the sentence has changed from positive into negative case. Unless I come into money, I will never buy a boutique. Second one, if you ever come into money, you will buy us a blessed, decent house to live in. How are you going to write? Unless you ever come into money, you won't buy us a you won't buy us a blessed decent house to live in. See the third one. If I would care to meet him next week, he would give him me an autograph. Unless I would care to meet him next week, he wouldn't give me an autograph. So would has changed into wouldn't. Fourth one, there will be a right old row if my dad gets to hear about it. How are you going to write? There will is there won't be a right old row unless my dad gets to hear about it. So write these sentences also. What you are doing, again I'm repeating, you are removing if from the question, you are adding unless, and when you are adding unless, the positive change into negative and negative change into positive, vice versa. If the sentence is if the question is there, use if, then unless will be definitely there. You have to use unless, okay, or remove unless. So if and unless are vice versa, and the positive and the negative case applies over here in the sentence. Okay, these are the answers. Copy down all the 4 question and answers. Okay, we'll see the next one. 2 more. If there is no snow, there is no problem. Use unless. So if you have to remove, definitely. So if you, when you are using unless, if you are removing, and no will change into positive case. Okay, now over here 2 no's are there. If there is no snow, there is no problem. Now you cannot change both the no's, otherwise all the meaning will change. So unless there is snow, there is no problem. Okay, unless there is snow, there is no problem. Second one, it didn't really matter if I passed away. It didn't. So how we are going to write? Didn't will become did. Okay, or it really mattered. It really mattered unless I passed away. It really mattered unless I passed away. So earlier questions and these 2 questions, you have to copy down in your notebook. Okay, and prepare the notes. Write down the rules separately for your better understanding. Okay, thank you.